Hey everyone, this is Awesome Wakabayashi from Zen Ideas. I've been working on a project that's developing a CRM platform using the Fluent CRM and the Fluent Form. The challenge we have is we have to make a bilingual form. But so it looks like the Fluent Form, I can use WPML. So I've never done this before, but I want to just document this, and hopefully I can share with you if somebody need same working on a kind of same project. All right, so I was just looking at their website here, how to do this. So looks like let's scroll down here. So I have to install necessary plugins. I have a Fluent Form, and of course I have a WordPress installed. So I need the WPML and the string translation and the Fluent Form Pro, free or Pro version 6.0.2. So let's see. I installed the WPML Multilingual CSM, but I don't think I installed the WPML string translation. So I have to do that. And then, so let's just take a look at the installed plugin here. Fluent Form, I have 6.1.5, so that's fine. And then WPML, okay, so that is 4.8.5. All right, so I've added the WPML string translation, so I just need to activate that. So I think that's all I need. Okay. All right, so next one is configure WPML for your site. So login, okay, and the dashboard, navigate WPML language, follow this setup wizard to blah blah blah. Okay, so I think that, so let's just go to setup. Hang on. Language, WPML language. I don't have that, so all I have is just setup here. So let's just follow this setting up here. All right, so default language is English and translation language is French. Okay, custom. Let's go to continue. All right, how would you like to format your site? URL, different. Okay, so let's just use that /fr. Continue. Okay, so that's a site key. So I already registered this. AI translation. Yeah, I don't really need AI translation. All right, so this doesn't really apply. Yeah, but I'm gonna just say CRM Affiliate Center of Ottawa. Okay, description. And this is a CRM site for Affiliate Center of Ottawa. Target. Yeah, I'll say admin workers at Affiliate Center of Ottawa. So this is mostly using internal the CRM system. So I don't really need to put a lot of information here. So I'm going to just save it and continue. Human translation, I'd like to set up a human trust by myself, and then translation manager will set up a translator for my site, translation contributor. So I just gotta choose only myself. For now, support. Do you want to get better, faster support? The WPML can send information about your site plugin, theme, blah, blah, blah. This allows our support team to help you much faster to contact about the potential problem. Okay, so I'm going to just hit yes for that. All right, I think this is done. So it's finished. For language switcher, okay, so go to here. All right, so now see lots of option here. Here's the language. All right, so let's back to this instruction here. So step number 2. All right, so first one is select the language you want to support. So in this case, in my just French, I did that already. So let's skip it. Choose. Okay, so I've done that. A language switcher to your menu. Footer, sidebar. Visitors can toggle. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I'm going to just choose the image file type for flag. Okay, so this is fine. All right, step number 3, build your form in Fluent Form. Okay, so I've done this already, which is just open up here. So I'm using this referral form. Okay, and then, all right, so let's go to settings. Here, setting the integration. Looks like they have WP translation here, which I don't have that here. All right, so reading this carefully, I just realized that this multilingual form for Fluent Form with WPML. So this is what I'm missing here. All right, so I'm going to just install this. Okay, go to plugin. Okay. So this is the one. Additional plugins required. Okay, that's okay. So let's install that. Then hit activate. And then let's go to the form again. Okay, edit settings. Okay, so now I see it. Okay, and then so I'm going to enable this save setting. And the next step is, so now go to WPML's translation management section and select the form you want to translate. So, okay, so go to WPML translate section. Yeah. Translation management. I don't see that, but I assume, let's say this is a translation here. No, it doesn't look like it. All right, so let's, could it be translation dashboard now? See, maybe this one, Fluent Form. All right, so I can see this referral form is popped up. Okay, so let's select that. Oh, yeah, step number 2, translate your content. So what's step 2 here? And choose a language. It's French already. And then choose option. So translate myself. And hit translate. Okay, send for translation. One item has been successfully assigned to you. Okay, so to check this, it's this. Please go to WPM and translation. Okay, so let's go that. So this assigned to me. All right, and then let's hit translate here. All right, so that's cool. Application, so that, and I can just hit yeah, I can just type over that in the French. Okay, that's good. That's kind of straightforward to me. All right, so I can keep adding that. Oh man, so that's 327 translation need to be done. Okay, that takes a while, but let's do that. Okay, so all the translation is done, and here hit save and complete. And the next one is go to the page. And then this where I have a referral form here. Just open up here. So that's the English one here, right? So what I have to do is I gotta hit this plus button to add a French translation. Okay. Okay, so just click this and then add a translation here, and save, and then hit complete and success. So now it looks like it's working right now. So it's kind of a still, the French translation is assigned to local translator. I don't know what that is. But this is kind of spinning for a while. It's been like about a minute. I'm going to just pause my video here. All right, so like still 5 minutes, still this wheel is spinning. It's kind of interesting. So I don't know if I'm going to click this. Yeah, so I just click that, see what happens. Okay, and let's save complete again. Okay, so it looks like it's spinning again. Okay, now it looks like it is complete. So let's take a look. View this. Okay, so that's English form. Now you see the French translation here. Let's just click that. All right, looks great. Yeah, so this is. Oh, okay, I guess I have to translate that part, but that's fine. So this can be done. Okay, so everything is done. So I have translated this submitted form into French. So I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time.